So I don't have very much camera space, but I'm going to go over, just give a little update on my forge, and apologize for not posting in a while. I've been lazy and haven't edited, and then also, I don't know, that's about it. I haven't really that busy, but, so I built myself a new fire pot. It's made for charcoal, because I can't get coal anymore. The videos I have recorded, one's with a coal forge, and a few are with my old coal forge here, with charcoal, and that didn't work very well, so I had to build this one. But I got confused and thought that this was the design I was going for. And I thought it was really amazing, but apparently it's not. I had a grate in the bottom, and then I had to put a plate over it, so, because the charcoal's all falling out, I had a side draft, and I thought it was alright, but I didn't like it in the end. This one was fine for coal. It worked amazing for coal with the with air and ash like that. It didn't work, so I got this one instead, which is just shallower and wider and longer. And it's, unfortunately, I almost welded it in. Might have actually welded it in. I can't get it past these flanges here, or spacers. But underneath, I have my blower attached to a bracket on here. I have my fan set up, which you haven't saw yet either. I haven't tested it yet, but switch connected to the outlet, connected to the blower, or wired, or the blower's plugged into the outlet. And I put a little box in here that would be a damper, except I've got a multi-speed blower. And so that's just got a tube there. That's over in there, you can't see it, but it's two of the airs in between. That's just a little update. I'm running out of space, but just wanted to show what I've been up to. Apologize for not uploading. Video will be out soon, but I'm in school now, and I've still got all my other stuff to do, so I'll be trying my best to get a video out, but if I can't, I'm sorry, and I'll see you later.